Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to update Mazda CX-5 navigation SD card. Updated. Insert the SD card into your computer and open Mazda's Map Update tool to detect the card. Download the available map files and copy them to the SD card following the tool prompts. Verify file transfer completes before ejecting the card, then reinsert into the car and follow on-screen installation prompts to finalize the update. Confirm your VIN and desired map region in your Mazda account and sign in to access map updates. Download the map package fully and verify the checksum if provided to ensure integrity. If the update tool requests formatting, backup files first, then format the SD card to FAT32 and copy the downloaded files. Keep the computer awake until all transfers finish to prevent file corruption or incomplete updates. With the vehicle parked and parking brake engaged, insert the updated SD card into the CX-5 SD slot and start the ignition. The Mazda infotainment will detect new map files and prompt you to install. Accept and wait patiently. Do not power off the vehicle or remove the SD card during installation. Once finished, confirm the new map version in settings and test navigation to ensure routing and POIs operate correctly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.